Good morning students, myself Pankaj Kumar and welcome to my class. In last video we had seen how to find out spelling and grammar error in our document and correct that. Today we are going to discuss thesaurus, copy paste, cut paste and printing a document. So let's begin with thesaurus. So thesaurus is a special feature through which you can improve your vocabulary with the help of the built-in dictionary. You can search for synonyms, word with similar meaning, or antonyms, word with opposite meaning for a particular word. It becomes simple and you do not require to go through dictionary for the same. So word processor having inbuilt dictionary, with the help of that you can find synonyms and antonyms of particular word, or you can use in your document. Understood? Now let me read out the step, then I'll show you the practical how to insert antonyms and synonyms of particular word. Okay, so first step, at first select the word for which you want to find the synonyms or antonyms. So first we have to select the particular word. Click on review tab on the ribbon. Third step, click on thesaurus button. It display a research pane at the right side of the window. Fourth step, select an appropriate meaning as per your need from the list. Okay, now take the mouse pointer to the suitable word. Click this arrow button and select insert option. Finally click the option. Thus the new word replaces the existing word. Okay, so these are the steps which we have to follow while inserting antonyms and synonyms. Okay, now let me show you the practical. So first select the particular word, as I have selected special here. Then second step, click on thesaurus button. Click on thesaurus button. Third step, it display a research pane at the right side of the window. You can see that this is the research pane that you can find out in right side of the window. Okay, where you can see the similar word and opposite words. Okay, similar word and opposite words you can see here, antonyms, and these are the similar word. So you have to select the word from here. Suppose I am going to select unique. Okay, then now take the mouse pointer to the suitable word. This is the word which I am going to select. Okay, then click this arrow button and select insert option. Now I'm going to click on this arrow button. Okay, now here we have insert option. I'm going to select this insert option. So as you can see, the space will change into unique word. Okay, so unique is the similar meaning of special. So this is how you can insert similar or opposite word of particular word. Understood? Now the next is cut and paste. Using this tool, a part of a document can be removed from the original location and taken to the desired location. The part that is cut from a document can be pasted in the same document or in some other document. Okay, so here we have a step how to use cut and paste option. Okay, so first step, let me read out the step, then I'll show you the practical. First, open your document from which you want to cut text. Second step, place the cursor and drag to select the text that you want to cut from the document. Step number third, click cut option that is available on the ribbon. The part of a document will be removed from the original place. Now step number 4, take the cursor to the desired location and click paste option from the ribbon. Click paste option from the ribbon. The text will be pasted at the new location. Now let me show you the practical. So here we have two documents. Right side one document and the left side we are having one document. Okay, here I have written something, computer is an electronic, and that particular text I want to cut and paste, cut from here and paste in the left document. Okay, so I'm going to select first computer. Okay, then here we have cut option. As you can see, seizure icon is there. Okay, So just click on that. So either we can click on that or we can press Ctrl plus X. Ctrl plus X, that is shortcut key of cut option. Okay, so I'm going to click on Ctrl plus I'm going to click this icon, cut option. So as you can notice, that remove from this location. Okay, now come to the new location, and here we have paste option. Here we have paste option. Okay, so either we can use this option or we can press Ctrl plus B. Ctrl plus B, that is shortcut key of paste. Okay, so I'm going to click on paste option. You can notice computer came to the new location. Understood? This is how you can cut and paste. Once again, now I'm going to select this is an electronic, then going to click on cut option, that remove from the original location. Now come to the new location and click on paste option. You can see is an electronic came to the new location. Understood? This is the use of cut and paste. You can also paste in the same location. Suppose this is the document from where I'm going to cut the text and paste the text. Okay, now I'm going to select it aligns. Okay, then you click on cut option. As you can see, the content removed from there, the text removed from there. Now place the cursor below where you want to paste and then click on paste option. As you click, that will come. Understood? Now next is copy and paste. It is another important tool in MS Word that allows a part of the document to be copied to other location. The copied part of the document may be present in the same document or in some other document. Okay, so concept is same, purpose is same as we had seen in cut and paste. The only difference is that in copy and paste, the copied text is not going to remove from the original location. Okay, suppose a part of the document or a paragraph is to be copied at different location. You can perform the above task by using copy and paste option. Now let me read out the step, then I'll show you the practical. Okay, select the text that you want to copy first. Click copy button that is available on the ribbon. Third step, take the cursor to the desired location and click paste option available on the ribbon. The copied text will appear at the new location. Okay, now let me show you the practical. Suppose here we have two documents. Here I have written computer is an electronic. Okay, and I want to copy this text from this location to in this document. Okay, it's new document, left side one. Okay, so first select the text. Suppose I want electronic to be copied. Okay, now click on copy button. So here we have the copy option. Just click on that. Either you can click on that copy option or you can press Ctrl plus C, because Ctrl plus C is shortcut key of copy button. Copy. Okay, so I'm going to click on this copy button. Okay, now come to the new location as you can see on the screen. Now click on paste option. Either you can click on paste option or you can press Ctrl plus B. So I'm going to click on paste option. You can see electronic came in the new location and that is not removed from the original location. That also is there. This is how you can copy and paste. Okay, now the difference between cut paste and copy paste. Point number one, it allows the user to shift the text within the same file or to another file. So in cut paste, the selected text removes from the original location, whereas in copy paste it allows the user to duplicate the text in the same document or to the another or to Now the difference between cut paste and copy paste. Cut paste, point number 1, it allows the user to shift the text within the same file or to another file. Copy paste, point number 1, it allows the user to duplicate the text in the same document or to another document. So in cut paste, selected text removed from the original location, whereas in copy paste, selected text present in the original location. Okay. Now point number 2, the shortcut keys are Ctrl plus X for cut, Ctrl plus B for paste, whereas shortcut key for copy Ctrl plus C and shortcut key for paste Ctrl plus V. So the children, this is very important, please learn. Now the last is printing a document. After the completion of your document, you may need to get a printout, that also called hard copy of your document. The print command can be used to serve your purpose. That means print command allows us to take out the printout. Okay. When you click on print button, you will notice that the backstage view show print preview of the current document. To print the document, so first you need to understand what is print preview. So print preview is the exact display of the document that will appear while printing on paper. Okay. Now let me read out the step first, then I'll show you the practical how to take out the printout. Okay. So first click file tab that displays the backstage view. Second, click print option from the drop down list. Third, now set the number of copies and click print button. The required document will be printed on papers. By default, the system print only one copy of the document. This is very important line, children, so please learn. By default, the system prints only one copy of the document, but we can increase according to our desire. Okay. Now let me show you the practical. Suppose here we have one document. First click on file tab, then you can see the option print option here. Okay, just click on print option. You can see the print preview. This is the print preview of particular document. Okay, now you can see in copies by default it was 1. From here you can see you can increase the number of copies, like I'm going to increase given 8. Okay, now you can see the print option here. Just click on print option. Okay, you will get your printout. So this is how you can get a printout of your document. Okay, now Ctrl plus F2 is the shortcut key of print preview, and Ctrl plus P is the shortcut key of print the document. Okay, print the document. So please learn the shortcut key. Okay, so today we have discussed thesaurus, cut paste, copy paste and printing a document. So children, what is thesaurus? Thesaurus is a special feature through which you can improve your vocabulary. Okay, and that allows us to insert similar word and opposite word in our document. Okay, what is cut paste? What is the use of cut paste? The task cut paste allow the user to move the text within the same file or to another file. Okay. What is the use of copy paste? The task copy paste allow you to make a duplicate copy of the selected text in the same document or to another document. Okay. By default, the system print one copy of all the pages of the document. This is very important line. Okay, by default, system print one copy of all the pages of the document, but we can increase according to our desire. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.